Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I would like to do solutions to exercise questions. Exercise 6.5 Progressions. First bit, for each geometric progression, find the common ratio R and then find AN. First bit, first problem, 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8 and so on. Solution for first bit, first problem, given 3 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8 and so on. These are terms A1, A2, A3, A4. Common ratio R is equal to common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1 is equal to 3 by 2 by 3, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 into 1 by 3, 3 cancel, 1 by 2. So common ratio is 1 by 2. R is equal to 1 by 2. And also find then AN. AN is equal to A R to the power of A R to the power of n minus 1. So this is the formula. Here A is 3. A is 3. Here A is equal to 3. R is equal to, so R is equal to 1 by 2. These we have to substitute in this. A3 or 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. So this is the nth term of GP. So this is GP. First bit to second problem, 2 minus 6, 18 minus 54. Solution for first bit second problem, given 2 minus 6, 18 minus 54, A1, A2, A3, A4. So common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1 minus 6 by 2, 2 1s, 2 3s, minus 3. And also asked AN. AN is equal to, so R is equal to minus 3. And also A is equal to 2. These are values. AN is equal to A R to the power of n minus 1. We have to substitute in this. A is equal to R is equal to minus 3 whole to the power of n minus 1. So this is nth term AN. First bit to third problem, minus 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 18 and so on. Solution. First bit to third problem, given minus 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 18 and so on. Here A1, A2, A3, A4. Common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1 minus 3 by minus 1 is equal to minus cancel 3. So R is equal to 3. And also A is equal to A1 is equal to minus 1. Then we can find AN. This is first answer. And AN is equal to A R to the power of n minus 1. Here A is minus 1 into R3 to the power of n minus 1. So that is equal to minus 3 to the power of n minus 1. So this is the answer. First bit fourth problem, 5, 2, 4 by 5, 8 by 25 and so on. Solution for first bit fourth problem, 5, 2, 4 by 5, 8 by 25. These are given a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on. So here common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, 2 by 5, and an is equal to a r to the power of n minus 1, that is equal to a is here common ratio r is equal to 2 by 5 and a is equal to first term 5. So this is first answer. Next we can find second answer. In place of a 5 or 2 by 5 whole to the power of n minus 1. So this is the second answer. Second problem, find the 10th and nth term of GP 5, 25, 125 and so on. Solution for second problem, given GP 5, 25, 125 and so on. Here a1, a2, a3 are terms. So here a is equal to 5. So common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, 25 by 5, 5 ones, 5 5s, 5. 10th term, nth term, first we can write nth term of GP a r to the power of n minus 1. So 10th term of GP this is an, a10 is equal to a is 5 and r 5 to the power of 10 minus 1, that is equal to 5 into 5 to the power of 9. So this is the answer, a10. This is the nth term. So an is equal to a r to the power of n minus 1 and 10th term a10 is equal to 5 to the power of 10. So these are two answers. Third bit, find the indicated term of each geometric progression. Third bit, first problem, a1 is equal to 9, r is equal to 1 by 3, find a7. Solution for third bit first problem, given a1 is equal to 9, r is equal to 1 by 3. So a7 is equal to a r to the power of 6, that is equal to a is here a is equal to a1, a is equal to 9 r 1 by 3 whole to the power of 6, 9 into 1 by 1 by 3 to the power of 6. So 3 to the power of 6 means 3 3s, here 5 3 ones, again 3 3 4. So 1 by 3 to the power of 4. Next Second problem, third bit, a1 is equal to, a1 means a is equal to a1 is equal to minus 12 or is equal to 1 by 3. Asked a6, a6 is equal to a r to the power of 5. So here a is minus 12 into r 1 by 3 whole to the power of 5 minus 12 into 1 by 3 to the power of 5. 3 ones are here 4, 3 fours are, so minus 4 by 3 to the power of 4. This is a sixth term. Fourth bit, which term of the GP? First problem, 2, 8, 32 and so on is 512. Solution for fourth bit first problem, given 2, 8, 32 and so on is 512. So this a1, a2, a3 and so on, this is an. Here a is equal to 2, r is equal to a2 by a1 is equal to 8 by 2, 2 ones, 2 fours, 4. Let the nth term of GP be 512. So we know nth term an is equal to a r to the power of n minus 1. So this is the formula. So in this nth term is given, so we have to substitute. A is 2, r is 4 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to, given an is given 512. 2 ones, 2 2's 4, 2 5's 10, 2 6 12. So 4 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 256. We can write this 4, 2 square, 2 to the power of 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 256. 2 to the power of, we know the formula, a power m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. Basing this, we can write 2 to the power of 2 into n minus 1. We can write this also 256. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 eights, 2 6, 2 fours, 2 threes, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 6, 2 eights, 2 fours, 2 twos, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 2 to the power of 8. So here bases are equal. If bases are equal, exponents, then exponents are also equal. Therefore 2 into n minus 1 is equal to 8. N minus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 2 fours, 4. N is equal to 4 plus 1, n is equal to 5. Therefore 512 is the fifth term of the given GP. Fourth bit, second problem, root 3, 3, 3 root 3 and so on is 729. Solution to fourth bit, second problem, given GP root 3, 3, 3 root 3 and so on is 729. Terms are A1, A2, A3 and so on AN. So A is equal to root 3, R is equal to A2 by A1, 3 by root 3. We have to rationalize this by with root 3, 3 by root 3, root 3 by root 3. We are rationalizing root 3 with root 3. 3 root 3 by 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are. So root 3 is the common ratio. So R is equal to also root 3. A is equal to also root 3. Let 729 be the nth term of given GP. Then we know AN is equal to R to the power of n minus 1. This is the formula. So in this we have to substitute these values. A root 3, R also root 3 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to given 729. 3 to the power of 1 by 2, 3 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to, we have to factorize this. We have 729, 3 table, 3 to the 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 7s, 3 9s, 3 3s, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 to the power of 6. So 3 to the power of 1 by 2, it is in the form of a power m whole to the power of n. Then we can write a to the power of mn. So a 3 to the power of 1 by 2 into n minus 1, 3 to the power of 6. This is the formula we applied. So bases are equal in multiplication. Then a power m into a power n. Then we can write a power m plus n. So basing this, we can write this 3 to the power of 1 by 2 here plus n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 6. 3 to the power of 2 is the LCM. 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 6. 3 to the power of 1 plus 1 minus 1, 0. N by 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 6. Bases are equal. Here if bases are equal, bases are equal, then exponents are also equal. Therefore these bases are equal. N by 2 is equal to 6. N is equal to 6 into 2. N is equal to 6 to the 12. Therefore 729 is the 12th term of the given GP. Fourth bit, third problem, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 and so on is 1 by 2187. Solution for fourth bit to third problem, given 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 and so on is 1 by 2187. A1, A2, A3, this is AN. Here A is equal to 1 by 3, R is equal to A2 by A1 is equal to 1 by 9 by 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 9 into 3 by 1, 3 ones, 3 threes, 1 by 3. So A is equal to 1 by 3 and also R is equal to 1 by 3. These are two values. Now let 1 by 2187 be the nth term of the GP. Then we know the nth term AN is equal to AR to the power of n minus 1. This is the formula. We have to substitute in this value. A value 1 by 3, R value 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1. This is given 2187. Here bases are equal, so we can add these powers, exponents. 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to 2187. 3 table, 3 sevens, 3 twos, 3 nines, 3 twos, 3 fours, 3 threes, 3 eights, 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 sevens, 3 nines, 3 threes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 3 to the power of 7. 1 by 3. So this is 1 by, this is also 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, whole to the power of n. So this is 1 by 3 power 7. 1 by 3 whole to the power 7 we can write. So here bases are equal, so exponents also equal. N is equal to 7. Therefore 1 by 2187 is 7th term of the given GP. Fifth problem, find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. Solution for fifth problem, given 8th term of GP. A8 is equal to A r to the power of 7 is equal to 192 is given, and also given common ratio 2. We have to find A12. So in this we have to substitute R value. A R value 2 to the power of 7 is equal to 192. A is equal to 192 by 2 to the power of 7. A is equal to 2 to the power of 7, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128. So 128, 192 by 128. We can cancel here 192 by 128. 2 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 2 2s, 2 4s, 2 1s, 2 6, 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16. So 3 by 2. A is equal to 3 by 2. R is equal to given 2. So basing these values we can find A12. A12 is equal to 12th term. A12 is equal to A to the power A r to the power of 11. In place of A we have to substitute 3 by 2. In place of R 2 to the power of 11. Here 2 for 1 cut 10, 3 into 2 to the power of 10. So this is the answer. We can simplify this. 3 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 66, 2 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128, 256, 512, 1024. 2 to the power of 10, 1024. So that is equal to 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 7, 3 0 0, 3 1s are 3, 3072. This is the 12th term. Question number 6. The fourth term of a geometric progression is 2 by 3 and the seventh term is 16 by 81. Find the geometric series. Solution for sixth problem. Fourth term A4 is equal to AR cube, that is equal to given 2 by 3, and seventh term A7 is equal to AR to the power of 6 is equal to 16 by 81. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Dividing these two equations like equation 2 by equation 1, equation 2 by equation 1 is equal to AR to the power of 6 by AR cube is equal to 1681 by 2 by 3. A cancel, R cube here 3 cut. So R cube is equal to 16 by 81 into 3 by 2. 2 1s, 2 8s, 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 7s. R cube is equal to 8 by 27. R is equal to cube root of 8 by 27. So R is equal to 8, 2 2s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 27, 3 9s, 3 3s. So 2 by 3. R is equal to, from this 3 we have to take 1, from this 3 we have to take 1 3, so 2 by 3. Here we have to find substitute R is equal to 2 by 3 in equation 1. Equation 1, AR cube is equal to 2 by 3. AR cube is equal to 2 by 3. This is equation 1. In this we have to substitute R value 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to 2 by 3. A into 2 cube by 3 cube is equal to 2 by 3. A is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 cube by 2 cube. 2 ones here 2 cut, 3 ones here 3 cut, so 9 by 2 to the 4. A is equal to 9 by 4. So basing these values, A is equal to 9 by 4, R is equal to 2 by 3. We can find which term of series GP. GP is equal to AR cube and so on. So A is 9 by 4, 9 by 4 into 2 by 3, 9 by 4 into 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and so on. So 2 ones, 2 twos, 3 ones, 3 threes, 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 3 threes, 3 ones, 3. So that is equal to 9 by 4, 3 by 2, 1 and so on. This is the required GP. 9 by 4, 3 by 2, 1 and so on. This is the required GP. Seventh problem, if the geometric progressions 162, 54, 18 and so on and 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 and so on have their nth term equal, find the value of n. Solution for seventh problem. Given GPs, there are two GPs. First one 162, 54, 18 and so on, and 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 and so on. Here terms A1, A2, A3 and so on. Here A1, A2, A3 and so on. First term A is equal to 162. Common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1, that is equal to 54 by 162. 2 2's 4, 2 7's 14, 2 8's 62, 1's 9 3's 27, 9 9's 81, 3 1's 3 3's, so 1 by 3. So here A is equal to 162 and R is equal to 1 by 3. These are two values. Here A is equal to 2 by 81, R is equal to A2 by A1, A2, this is A2, 2 by 27, by we can write reciprocal 81 by 2, 2 to cancel, 27 1 the 27 3 is 3. So R here A is equal to 2 by 81 and R is equal to 3. These are two values. Here given their nth terms are equal. Nth terms are equal. Given that given that nth terms are equal. So nth term means an is equal to a r to the power of n minus 1. So we have to substitute these values on LHS, these values on RHS. A 162, R value 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to A 2 by 81 into 3 to the power of n minus 1. So here 162, I will shift this on LHS into 81 by 2. These will on right side 3 to the power of n minus 1, 1 by 3, it will change 3 by 1. So 3 to the power of n minus 1. 2 ones, 2 eights, 2 ones. So here bases equal a power m into a power n, then we can add m plus n. So that's why 3 to the power of n minus 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to 81 into 81. 81 into 81. We can write this as 3 to the power 81, 3 to the 6, 3 7 is 21, 3 9 are 27, 3 3 is 9, 1 2 3 4. So 3 to the power of, for this 4, for this 4, so total 3 to the power of 8. So 3 to the power of 8 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 and 1 and 2n minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 3 to the power of 8 is equal to 3 to the power 2n minus 2. Bases equal. If a power m is equal to a power n, then m is equal to n. So that's why 8 is equal to 2n minus 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to 2n. 10 is equal to 2n. So 10 by 2 is equal to n. 2 1 are 2 5 are 5 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 5. So this is the answer. Friends, I hope you understood each and every explanation what we learnt in this video. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.